Redeeming Allstate points for cash is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Allstate Rewards often allows you to redeem points for gift cards from popular retailers. While these gift cards may not be cash, they can be redeemed for everyday purchases, effectively saving you money on items you have otherwise bought with cash. Explore the discounts available to the Allstate Rewards program. These discounts may include savings on various products, services, or experiences. By utilizing these discounts, you can effectively reduce your expenses and save money. Depending on your insurance policy with Allstate, accumulating rewards points may qualify you for additional discounts or benefits on your premiums. Contact Allstate or check your policy details to see if there are any opportunities to save on your insurance cost by participating in the rewards program. Allstate may have partnerships with other companies that allow you to redeem rewards points for discounts or special offers. These offers could include savings on travel, entertainment, or other expenses that indirectly contribute to cash savings. Allstate periodically updates its rewards program offerings, so it's essential to stay informed about new opportunities to maximize your rewards and savings. Check the Allstate Rewards website or app regularly for any updates or promotions.